Hello friends, today I am going to introduce you with a very strong passive income which you can build in 2021 and many coming years. The company name is Deji. So Deji is one of the strong passive income, and the company has a very strong portfolio which generate profit from 300% to up to 800% per year. So the company, to get started with the company, what you need to do, you need to install the Clever wallet on your mobile. You can see, once you install the Clever wallet, what you can do, you need to have a registration link for the company. So first you need to go into the Google Play Store. Once you go into the Google Play Store, download the Clever wallet. So once you have downloaded the Clever wallet, you need to come into the browser section and paste the URL, the registration link from the persons who had invited you or shared the link. So you will get the Deji link in the description of this video. Copy that link. After installing the Clever wallet, come into the Clever wallet and simply paste your link in the URL section. And once you paste the link, it will take you to the dashboard of Deji. So you can see the video presentation of the company in the here, and you can automatically log in. Once you click on login, let me get into the login for you. So once you log into the dashboard, you will see the dashboard and the plan. You can start with any of the package, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, any of the package you can start with. So this is one of the strong passive income that you can build in 2021. So you can get your link from here. You can simply, if you are registered, you will get the link. You will see the registration link at deji.global/earn with Deji. You will click the link, copy the link from here and use to invite your members. So as you can see right now, and all the payment directly goes into the Clever wallet, because this is the smart chain contract which pays directly into your wallet. So how this company pays: once you deposit any amount, minimum you can start with $100 and go up to $100,000. So any package you are going to start, what companies do, 50% of your investment goes into the trading pool and 50% goes into the crowdfunding. So once you have 50% of the amount that is into the trading pool, that is going to generate 300% to 800% in 1 year, and the other 50% that you have in the crowdfunding will have the potential to generate unlimited amount of money if you are going to build the network. But if somebody is not going to build any network, then you are going to earn 2%, a 2-level dip is crowdfunding spillover earning in the system. So this is the one of the strong passive income where if you are a team builder, you can make a quite big money, and if you are not a team builder, then also you can make a 300% to 800% in a year. So that is quite big passive income. So register today, install the Clever wallet today and register. Copy the link from the registration description of this video and paste into the browser section of Deji Clever wallet and start today. Deposit any of the package. So suppose you can start with the tier 3, so you can contribute to. So right now the registration of tier 3 they have stopped, because maybe all the registration has been getting filled very fast, so they are pausing some of the sign-ups also. So make sure you activate as soon as you get the link, and because sign-up will get closed already. Millions of member has got started with this company. So, and if I show you my balance, you can see generation 1, generation 2 no requirement. For generation 3 you have to need to have 3 members personal referred. For generation 4 earning, you need to have 6 members. So the more members you invite, the more deep level you will earn in this. And you can see my earning. Right now I have $1,283 from this company that I had earned. So this is one of the strong earning. So you can also earn, and this is all coming directly to your wallet. So this is how easy to generate earning from Deji. So register into the Deji today, and if you are getting any issue, you will get the contact information of mine in the description of this video. You can contact me from there also and start earning passive income with Deji, because this is one of the very strong passive income, and this company provide many services to banking services of all big investors all across the world, and they are into the finance section from many years. So register today, start with Deji and start earning passive income, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you keep getting more and more passive earning opportunity in coming future. Thank you. God bless. Take care. Bye bye.